Hi and welcome to another quiz. This one's all about planet Earth. There's some easy questions and some not so easy questions. So just how much do you know about this great big rock spinning aimlessly in space that we call home? Well, let's find out. How old is the Earth? Is the correct answer 1.25 billion years, 2.73 or 4.54? And she's no spring chicken, the answer is 4.54 billion years. What is the Earth's core mostly composed of? Is it composed from copper, iron or zinc? And there's a little bit of nickel in there too, but it's mostly iron. How many planets are smaller than Earth in our solar system? Are there 4, 3 or 2 smaller? And the answer is 3. The name Earth is derived from what? Is it from ancient Greek, Arabic or Old English and Germanic? The correct answer there, Old English and Germanic. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Is the correct answer oxygen, hydrogen or nitrogen? And the most abundant is nitrogen. Okay, so how long does it take the Earth to complete one trip around the Sun? Is it 364 days, 9 hours and 24 minutes, 365 days, 6 hours and 9 minutes, or 366 days, 2 hours and 5 minutes? And the correct answer, 365 days, 6 hours and 9 minutes. What is the lowest level of Earth's atmosphere called? Is it the troposphere, thermosphere, or exosphere? And the correct one there, troposphere. Is the Moon getting closer or further away from Earth? Is the correct answer closer or further? And it's slowly moving further away. Earth's population in 2023 is what? 9.2, 8.1 or 7.8 billion people? And there are 8.1 billion of us. Which planet is closest to Earth on average? Is it Mercury, Venus or Mars? And the key to this question is on average, because on average the answer is Mercury. Now this might seem a silly question, but what shape is the Earth? Is it round, oblate spheroid or flat? And I hope this one generates a few crazy comments. The answer is oblate spheroid. When is the Earth closest to the Sun? Is it in January, June or July? And it's closest in early January. What is the hottest part of the Earth's structure? Is it the outer core, the mantle or the inner core? The correct answer there, the inner core. The majority of Earth's fresh water is found where? Is it in lakes, rivers or ice and glaciers? Most of it is locked up in ice and glaciers. What is Earth's largest continent? Is it Asia, North America or Africa? The correct one there is Asia. How many major tectonic plates are there? Are there 5, 7 or 12? And there are 7 major plates. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted at what degree? 29.5, 42.5 or 23.5 degrees? The correct answer there, 23.5 degrees. The motion of molten iron in Earth's core generates which? Earth's gravity, Earth's atmosphere, or Earth's magnetic field? And it generates Earth's magnetic field. Where is Earth's lowest elevation on land? Is it the Dead Sea shore, the Maldives, or the Atacama Desert? And the correct answer, the Dead Sea shore. Okay, so the least populated country in the world is what? Is it Tuvalu, Vatican City, or San Marino? And the least populated country is Vatican City. Which lake holds 1/5 of the world's fresh surface water? Is it Lake Victoria, Baikal, or Michigan? And the correct answer there, Lake Baikal. How long does it take the sun's rays to reach Earth? Does it take 8 seconds, 80 seconds, or 8 minutes and 20 seconds? And it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. What is the outer layer of the Earth called? Is it the crust, outer core, or outer mantle? And it is the crust. What is the driest place on Earth other than the poles? Is it the Atacama Desert, the Gobi Desert, or the Sahara? The correct answer to this one, the Atacama Desert. What percent of the Earth's surface is covered by water? Is it 51, 61, or 71%? And the Earth is covered with a massive 71% of water. So, what is the average depth of the global ocean? Is it 3,000 feet, 12,100 feet, or 28,500 feet? The average depth, 12,100 feet. What is the largest active volcano on our planet? Is it Mount Fuji, Etna, or Mauna Loa? And the largest active volcano is Mauna Loa. Where is the deepest lake in the world located? Is it in Russia, the United States, or Canada? And there's a bonus point if you can name what it's called in the comments down below. The answer is it's in Russia. Over 200 million years ago, Earth's continents were all part of one supercontinent, called what? Is the answer Zealandia, Pangaea, or Gaia? And the correct answer, Pangaea. What is the longest above sea level mountain range? Is it the Rocky Mountains, the Himalayas, or the Andes? And the longest above sea level is the Andes. Okay, so excluding Australia, because that causes too many arguments, what is the largest island in the world? Is it New Guinea, Madagascar, or Greenland? And the correct answer is Greenland. What is the world's largest river by volume? Is it the Amazon, the Danube, or the Nile? And the largest by volume, the Amazon. What is the Earth's largest living organism? Is it a fungus, a giant redwood tree, or the blue whale? And surprisingly, the answer is a giant fungus. Which location is the deepest oceanic trench? Is it the Puerto Rico, Mariana, or Java Trench? And the correct answer, the Mariana Trench. Which ocean is known as the world's smallest? Is it the Southern, Arctic, or Indian Ocean? And the smallest is the Arctic Ocean. If all of the Earth's ice melted, the global sea level would rise by approximately how much? 300, 200, or 70 metres? And the correct answer, 70 metres. What protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays? Is it the aurora, the ozone layer, or solar winds? And the answer, the ozone layer. What causes the Earth to bulge at the equator? Is it gravity, the moon, or Earth's rotation? it's caused by the Earth's rotation. The Great Rift Valley is mostly located on which continent? Europe, South America, or Africa? And it's mostly in Africa. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Is it the Tibetan, the Colorado, or the Deccan? The correct answer for this one, the Tibetan Plateau. Which is the largest gulf in the world by area? Is it the Persian, the Gulf of Mexico, or the Gulf of Thailand? And the largest is the Gulf of Mexico. What's the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Is it the Congo, Daintree, or Amazon? The correct answer, the Amazon rainforest. Which mountain is considered the tallest when measured from base to peak? Mount Everest, K2, or Mauna Kea? And the correct answer is Mauna Kea. Which country has more lakes than the rest of the world's lakes combined? Is it Canada, Finland, or the United States? And the one with the most is Canada. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? The Iberian, Sinai, or Arabian? And the correct answer, the Arabian. Approximately what percent of Earth's water is fresh water? 3, 25, or 33%? And the answer, a measly 3%. What creates the seasons? Is it the distance to the Sun, Earth's tilted axis, or the Moon and the Sun's gravity? And they are created by the Earth's tilted axis. What produces most of the world's oxygen supply? Is it trees, grasslands, or oceanic plankton? And surprisingly, it's not trees, it's oceanic plankton. Where was the highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth? In the Sahara, Alice Springs, or Death Valley? And it was recorded in Death Valley. The asteroid that is said to have wiped out the dinosaurs hit just off the coast of where? Mexico, Brazil, or Morocco? And it was just off the coast of Mexico. And following on from that, there have been how many great mass extinctions in Earth's history? 1, 3, or 5? And let's hope another one's not due soon. The answer is 5. What causes the oceans to have tides? Is it the Moon and Sun's gravity, the Earth's tilted axis, or the Earth's rotation? And the answer is the Moon's and a little bit of the Sun's gravity. What's the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and space called? Is it the Kuiper Belt, the Van Allen Belt, or the Kármán line? And the answer, the Kármán line. Approximately how fast is the Earth rotating at the equator? 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 miles per hour? And it's rotating at 1,000 miles per hour. And what is the circumference of the Earth at the equator? Is it 12,100, 16,800, or 24,901 miles? And the answer there, 24,901. Where was the largest ever recorded earthquake with a magnitude of 9.5? Was it in Japan, Indonesia, or Chile? And it was in Chile. What is the most populated country as of 2023? Is it China, India, or Indonesia? And it's no longer China, India has taken over. Approximately how many languages are spoken on Earth? 200, 700 or 7,000? And shamefully, I can only just about manage one. The answer is there are 7,000. What is the most followed religion on Earth? Is it Christianity, Buddhism or Islam? And the answer, Christianity. How far is the Earth from the Sun on average? Is it 10 million, 93 million or 201 million miles? And it's just a stone's throw at 93 million miles. So how did you do? Were there any questions that caught you out? Let me know your thoughts, score and anything else in the comments down below as usual. Give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.